Hey everyone, today we're talking about Naruto, the show where friendship, ramen, and a lot of yelling somehow saves the world. Let's go into it. Sasuke stuck in a full emo mode like, dude, have you tried smiling just once? And Chakra whole personality just basically noticed me, Sasuke. Girl, you see you. He doesn't. Kashi reading Smut Pup with like a ninja, training manual, prioritize sensei. Chunjin exams are like high school exams, except you fail, you don't get F, you get punched through a wall.
You're no longer human, you're a demon!
Amaru is basically a snake in a trench coat. I don't trust him, nobody should. In the end, it's all about ramen, friends, and never giving up. Naruto might be loud, but he not wrong. That's it for the recap. Naruto, the show that proves if you shout your dreams loud enough, eventually people will listen. See you in the next episode.